Hey friends, I'm glad you are joining us today. Today we're going to continue learning about our Indigenous communities, not only here in the Northwest, but around the world as well. This is part of our tribal sovereignty, learning about kind of the native cultures of the people that have lived here for generations, not only in the Northwest, but we talked about other communities in our last video as well. This week we're talking about connections to nature and why that is so important to our Indigenous communities and actually very important to us and our world today. We can learn a lot from the ways that Indigenous communities have looked at the world and nature and how we harvest and how we take care of nature and the things around us in the past and in the present to help us be more aware of our surroundings. So today we're going to talk. There's going to be a couple slides just telling you a little bit about some Indigenous communities and what they are doing to help nature and how they support nature. And then we're going to have two read aloud books. One of them I know we've watched before. It's called Giving Thanks, and it's a Native American good morning message. And I wanted you to watch that again so that you really start thinking about those connections to nature. And the other book is called We Are Water Protectors. And with that book, there is a handout that we either sent home with you on Tuesday. It's a blue printed piece of paper, or it might be on your Teams page. So I will show that at the beginning of the book reading too, so that you can see that. All right, I hope that you enjoy what you're going to learn today. I look forward to talking to you further about this. Next week, we are going to start learning about what the word totem and totem poles mean and the significance of those in Indigenous peoples' communities and how they can be important to us as well. So if you want to do a little thinking ahead, planning ahead, you can do a little research online, maybe Google totem poles, and kind of learn a little bit more about those before we teach our lesson next week. All right, enjoy, and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.